Well, this is Hattie. And God bless you, Hattie. You have been a wonderful dog to Carolyn all these years. And we have Misty here. And they're buddies, so God bless you, Misty. You've given Jim and Nancy a lot of laughter. Oh, we have a chicken. What's the chicken's name? Sugar. What's the chicken? All right. I heard the turkey. And what is this turkey's name? Not Thanksgiving? Peppermint.
We call it peppermint.
My goodness. How long have we had you? 3 months?
What is the turkey's name?
Peppermint.
Oh, I love it.
Sammy. This is Sammy.
His name was Sammy.
Here's the shepherd. Simony Rose. Well, God bless you.
Ready? He's just like tired, right? What do they do? They're like puppy dogs.
He has had kind of a rough time of she lost her eye.
I know.
See if they got a treat for her. Oh, they don't. Then she'll call me.
Who's this one? Tessa?
Yeah, some of them with the adult ones are tasty.
What's ironic is I tried to smoke.
I know.
Not much later. No, but they run and play like crazy. Who was the artist staying laughing at us? He makes us
I want to play with them all.
everybody else was Woofy.
We're playing with them all.
Misty was named in the she flunked out. Like learning. No,
Here's Buster. Hi, Buster.
Cheese. 10 to 12 weeks. Kept going. I gotta go over here on the side.
And this is Buster.
So,
This is Buster Posey.
Oh, that's great. I approve. Mightily of that name.
always a new person.
Benito Santiago today. Giants. Dodgers.
Any other?
San Francisco, baseball. Yeah.
Okay, Jackie's got a picture of her cat. Okay, and what's your name? Baby girl. Okay. Black and white.
Very long. We get to be about 15 minutes.
There you go. Anybody else want to?
It's just too hard to follow with us. So I don't know.
Miss Boots is not ready for church.
Oh my gosh, how cute.
It's just too hard to give them up.
Anybody else?
I'm getting a puppy.
Do we know what you're going to call it?
Sheldon.
Sheldon.
And he's going to wear bow tie like little Sheldon on television.
Anybody else? Yes.
My kitty, Allie with an I. She's not here because she's Allie. Allie with an I.
Allie.
Yeah,
Allie with an I.
yeah. She's my kitty. She's
Anybody
a
else?
bear, yeah. She's at home.
We have a grand dog at home that also was not good for church, and her name is Luna.
Luna? L-N.
L-U-N-A.
L-U-N-A. Okay, anybody else?
Nibbles and Morty and Spooky and Peekers and
Wants a bunch of pieces of paper. Spooky was in there somewhere. He doesn't need to name all the feral cats.
Anybody else? Yes. Matilda. Anybody else? Stitch. Yeah, Stitch.
Shasta. Our dog Shasta.
Shasta.
Not church ready.
Not church ready. Okay.
And her niece Delilah.
Okay, Shasta and Delilah.
You failed to take it.
Lori's great. Thank you, Lori, for doing this. Where did Delilah go? Kathy?
Here. Delilah and Shasta. Thank you.
You have the best friends.
Okay.
Thank
All right,
you.
the mighty Samson.
So that didn't help at all.
Well, that's good. The mighty Samson. Anybody else? Doug, your son dropped off you, and I saw this huge horse in the car.
Yeah, her name is Maggie.
Maggie?
Maggie.
Maggie, okay. She's a Great Dane, right?
Yeah. Actually, Miss Martin.
Miss Margaret, okay. Anybody else? All right, well, thanks for sharing. Yeah.
We've got Cleopatra, Leah, and Ozzy.
Okay. Cleopatra, Leah, and Ozzy. Ozzy? Like Osborne? Okay. Lori, thank you so much.
Thank you, Lori.
Let us pray.